Hi everyone, welcome to the latest Oakleigh watches video where we will be showing you an unboxing of the Omega Orbis Speedmaster. So Orbis are an organisation who travel throughout the world with a flying eye hospital. They carry out eye operations on children in areas where they don't have access to other facilities. Omega sponsor every operation by giving Orbis patients a teddy bear. Omega have created a 38mm Speedmaster with Orbis in mind, and part of the proceeds of every sale has gone to the Orbis organisation, and that's what we have here. If we open the box, inside is a perfect unworn 38mm Omega Speedmaster Orbis. You can see that the bracelet is still wrapped in the blue factory plastic. I think that the blue and silver colouring of this watch is particularly beautiful. I'm a sucker for a blue dial. The sunburst blue is like an electric royal blue on the main part of the dial. And then there are 3 sub-dials at 3, 6 and 9 o'clock. They're all horizontal ovals in a paler blue. And then there's a vertical oval at 6 o'clock as well for the date window. The bezel on this watch is made of aluminium and it's a tachymeter bezel. And the hour plots are rhodium plated. The bracelet on this watch is made up of smaller links. It has more in common with a Rolex Jubilee, say, than a Rolex Oyster. Standard chronograph and crown buttons on the right hand side and a date set button on the left. It comes complete with the date set tool. Also included with this beautiful watch are the international warranty and pictogram cards, and the Certificate of Authenticity from Omega and Orbis, which is a gatefold from which you can see all the details of the watch. This unworn Omega Speedmaster 38mm Orbis limited edition is in stock now. It will be on our website later this week.